Man, I can't wait to eat, y'all. Oh man. What's up YouTube? My name is Taman here with Firefighter Fit, where we help you with workout and nutrition tips so you can be fit like a firefighter. In today's video, I'll be helping y'all make an easy, delicious pot roast, man. Oh, it's gonna be so good, bro. Every ingredient that you need will be down in the comments. That way you can just screenshot it and then take it to the store and pick out everything that you need. I made it super easy for y'all. Also, you notice I don't wear my pink bandana joint, man. It's for breast cancer awareness. My mom's had it, so it means a lot to me for just seeing people just wear little pink things like this. Enough with the talking, man. Let's get into this pot roast. All right, first thing you do is wash your hands. Don't be dirty. Don't be dirty. All right, now you're gonna get your 2 onions and dice them up into wedges, just like this. And just put them in the bowl and put them to the side. We'll get to them later. All right, now you're gonna get your seasonings ready and get them prepared to add to the meat. 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt. Next, you want 1.5 teaspoons of whatever seasoning salt you like. I prefer Creole seasoning because it got a little kick to it, you feel me? So 1.5 teaspoons of seasoned salt. 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Oh! Okay, let's do it. Okay, now 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. 1 teaspoon of rosemary. 1 teaspoon of onion and garlic powder. And 1/2 tablespoon of dried parsley flakes. And then mix it all up until it's one big family. You feel me? Cool. Alright, next you want to get your beef roast. And it should be 3 to 5 pounds. It's gonna cook down anyway, but yeah, 3 to 5 pounds. If you want to get it, open up the pack and just rinse all the meat off. Now what I do is I get a plate, then I get the seasonings and I just pour the seasonings all over the plate. That way you can just put your meat right over it, just dab it, so you can just hit each side, you feel me? Just do that real quick and make sure it's covered well. It should look something like this, and just massage it all in. Now it's time to warm up the INSTA-POT. Now that you're at your INSTA-POT, you want to hit saute, and then you want to move it all the way over till it says more. So you just hit saute again, and boom, more is up there. Next you want to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and just let the pan heat. Now that your INSTA-POT is hot, you want to add the meat to the INSTA-POT. Oh, baby! And just brown each side. Make sure every side is brown. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. I can't wait to eat. Oh, shoot. Oh man, y'all, look at that. Oh, y'all hear that sizzle? Oh, man. Oh, it's looking beautiful. It's looking beautiful. All right, now that each side is brown, you want to take it out and just put it right back on the plate. It'll be fine. Just let it rest there. It'll be okay. Now you see all of that brown and stuff at the bottom of that. What you want to do is just get a little scoop of butter, and then that'll break it all apart for you. Ain't got to be nothing crazy. Just a little scoop. You know what I'm saying? Oh, look a little bright right here. Let me fix it for y'all. You know what I'm saying? And just drop it in there. And then mix it all up. See how it's starting to break up a bit? That's what you want. Then you want to add those onions you put to the side. Yep. And just saute those bad layers. Yep. And they'll come out to be just like this. Oh man, y'all see that? Ooh. You see how all of that stuff came off at the bottom? And you just wrapped around all the onions. Oh, it's gonna taste so good. Oh man. And you just want to cook these until they're nice and brown. Oh, Look at those, they look beautiful. Woo, baby. Once the onions are done, you want to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Let me know in the comments how y'all pronounce Worcestershire sauce. I pronounce it Worcestershire. Some people call it, Lord knows, Worcestershire, man. Hold on, I'm gonna ask my boy how he pronounces it. Hey, how you pronounce it? Worcestershire sauce, how you say it?
You said it right, Worcestershire?
Worcestershire? I say Worcestershire.
I really gotta look it up.
Oh, say it like that, because then like the people watching it, you be like, man, help me say this motherfucker. That'll help.
That's what I need. I'm putting this in the video so y'all know.
No, that's fine. That's alright with me.
Alright, now that bottom is nice and deglazed, what you want to do is get this thing in the green. I don't know what the fuck you call it, but you put it in there. Now you can put the roast right on top of it. Oh man. And make sure the fat side is up. Add in that 2 cups of beef broth. Oh man. Woo. I can't wait to eat. Along with the beef broth, what you want to do is add 2 cups of your favorite red wine. Get something that you like to drink. Don't get that table trash, bro. It ain't gonna be the same, you feel me? So 2 cups of that. I might not have enough. I've been drinking most of the Oh yeah, shout out to my boy Hicks, man. I know y'all noticed like the different color of skins on our hands, man, when he was chopping up the onions. Yeah, he's been helping me in the kitchen, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to my boy.
We gonna cut some onions up, man. I mean, potatoes. We gonna cut some taters up. Just to fit into
some foil.
Some aluminum foil. Without further ado.
Y'all, the cooking is complete. Now you have to wait 15 minutes though after it's done, and then you do a quick release. So you feel me? So check it. The cooking is done, but let it sit for 15 minutes. You got 1 more minute left, and then do a quick release. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this over the little steam joint so it won't be all over the place, and then just press the button. It smells so good, bro. Alright, y'all, let's open it up, see what it's looking like. Man, I can't wait to eat, y'all. Oh man. But now that the lid is off, what you do, you just take your take the potatoes and the carrots and just put them to the side. Put them to the side for now. And then you want to take this little meat thingy, I don't know what you call it, man, this little tray joint, and you just pick up the meat with it and put it on the side also. Actually going and just flop it just like this, like flop, 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 flop. Oh man, put that onion back in there. Now y'all can see the sauce is a little watery. What we gonna do is add some cornstarch to it. What you want to do is get about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water, and then just keep mixing and mixing until it's nice and I guess liquidy is the word I want to use. Add the cornstarch slurry in there and just keep stirring it up. It's gonna get nice and thick. And then add those carrots. And then do the same for the potatoes. Now just mix it all in there. Oh man, look at that sauce. This is optional, but what I'm gonna do is just add some mushroom gravy. Sprinkle it in there. Let's mix that bad boy up. Now we're gonna come back to our meat. Just chop it up in a little section. It's gonna break apart. Be nice and careful with it. Oh man. Personally, I like mine spread apart more. That's why I chop mine up more. But if you like yours thick, you just leave it thick like that. Then after it's chopped up, you just take it and add it straight to the gravy. Like so. Super easy. And then stir that bad boy up. Oh my gosh. I can't even focus on filming because I'm ready to eat. Oh man, I can't wait to eat, y'all. And then just stir it. I'll let it sit for maybe 5 minutes. And then you just add it to a bowl. Now everything is all done. I personally like to put mine over rice. You don't have to do that. You can just eat it plain if you want. Or make like some cornbread or something on the side. But what I'm gonna do, like I said, just put mine over rice. Alright y'all, now for the taste test. Oh, the smell is so good. Alright, let's see. Drum roll. Hot. Oh, but it's so good. Comment down below if you made it. Let me know how it turned out. This is Flame. Y'all, I had to turn the camera off. Just look at it. Look at it. Don't make no sense. I can't breathe, bro. I'm finna go sit down on this couch, turn me on a movie, and just relax. You feel me? But I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all subscribe. Hold up, let me get in some light. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Junior, tell them subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. He talking about Lightning McQueen. Subscribe to the channel, man. I'll see y'all in the next video. Much love, peace, and let's get these games. Oh.